about 8:30. We camped here in Littlefield, Texas. We're at a free RV park called the Waylon Jennings RV Park, since he's from here. We're about to tear down camp. Here's my friend Jordan. Got the blue Tacoma. He's tearing down camp. About to start mine. We are starting a trip. We are on the way to Colorado and Utah, and gonna end up in Colorado tonight, camp there, run some trails tomorrow, and start the rest of the week. So you'll be tagging along with us throughout the whole trip. So see you on the next check-in. So we've made it here to camp. We're actually at a pretty sweet spot just north of Silverton. Cruised up to this road called Clear Lake Road. Actually goes up to a clear lake in the mountains. We went back down the trail and found a campsite that overlooks the mountains here. Actually got a pretty sweet spot. We are about to start cooking dinner. He's gonna cook some chicken tacos and kind of just chill. It's super clear out, so we're gonna be able to see some stars tonight. And yeah, so hopefully I'll have some night shots for you guys. If not, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It is about 7:30 here Sunday morning. We are tearing down camp. Actually had a really crazy night last night. I guess this surrounding that we're in is just created a wind tunnel because it was insanely windy. My buddy's awning blew, like flipped up on top of his truck and kind of broke it, but it'll be okay. And then had some other stuff flying around, but it'll make it. We are going to have some quick breakfast and then go to Black Bear Pass. Black Bear is a pretty cool trail. Goes up and over down in a Telluride. And going to get some shots there. Do lunch in Telluride, run Imogene Pass, and then finish in Ouray. And check out Ouray. Supposedly it's pretty cool. And then end the day in Moab. So, going to be a good day. I'll be doing some random shots throughout the day and finishing up. So, see you guys throughout the day. Alright, so we've made it to Black Bear Pass. Started it right here, Black Bear Road. The start of it's also Colorado Road 16, County Road 16. Getting ready to go. Just aired down the tires, so those are ready for the trails. And yeah, turned out to be a gorgeous day. So we're gonna go hit the pass and then get some pictures and shoot some video. enjoyed the clips from the GoPro and the dash. Finished at Black Bear. We're now on Imogene. We've already gone over the pass. We're heading down into Ouray. We stopped here at this pretty cool overlook, looking down on the mountains on all the sides. Actually, pretty sweet backdrops anywhere you look. Yeah, I mean, this place, it's hard to put words to it. It's incredible. You just kind of have to experience it on your own. We having a good day so far. It's a little after 3. We're going to be cruising into Ouray, going to get some food, air up, and then head over to Moab. I'll have some more GoPro clips now to kind of show the rest of this trail, and that's about it. Yeah, we'll keep going. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching this video. This is actually going to be the first video in a 3-video series from our trip to Moab. This day kind of just highlighted the Colorado side of things from Black Bear and Imogene Pass. Super awesome day though, as you saw from the GoPro and dash cam videos. I do want to apologize about that. I meant to get more actual camera video. It just didn't work out. We just never really stopped. We just kept going. So apologize for that. That's really about it. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on the future videos. Like, share with your friends. I'm going to post it up on Facebook and Instagram, so if you're on either of those, you can share it. And that's it. I'll see you guys on the next video.